good. You know, I figure that the same right here, it's gonna be when those things curl up, it's got the same distance in here. So I figure that this isn't gonna hurt it any, but. Get some pliers because see. There it goes. Don't by your feet. Alrighty, I got it here, brother. Alright, you get that? Alright, let's get it in. Hey everyone, this is Saul Castaneda with Mcscgreenwheels, along here with my good friend Anner. Hey, we'll call it Double A. Any which way. We're here reinstalling the door windows to our 1993 Ford Foxbody GT we call Staff Sergeant Reckless. You guys saw me take these things apart, which is the window brackets, and we actually cleaned them up. We did a little ditty down here, get a new bolt down here, and then new hardware and everything. So what we're going to do, I just took them apart, removed the bolts, the two new bolts that I added to it, and what we're going to do, we're going to slide the window in, set this in place, put the new track in there. We got to make sure that the return arm where the motor was going to sit has got to get in here too. So that's what's going to happen today. We're going to go ahead and reinstall these and have them set up in the car so we don't break them while they're sitting out here. Alright guys, let's get it started. Try not to see if this one doesn't hit because it's still spring loaded. So let me bring that down here. Because this bad boy, okay. It's kind of tricky, hold on. Alright. Set our buddy in here. Hold on to that screwdriver right there for me, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and set this guy right kind of where it should belong. Voila. That's kind of where it's gonna go. Now we're gonna go ahead. You can let that go. Let's see if we can finagle that window in here, man. Bring it up a little bit. Bring it down more, just bring it down more. Don't tip it up. Tip it up, boop, boop, boop. Don't be easy. Hold on, let me see what's getting snagged down over here. Bam. So now I got my top, my bottom in place. I'm gonna put this nut right here just to kind of hold it and give me so it doesn't slide out on me, and I'm also going to put the one on the bottom. And then let me give myself the opportunity to bring the window down and align it to my overall track here. And one. Here's two. gonna be our motor. Goes in here. Come back and tighten those down. Perfect. There we go. Let me see if I can put this. Just installing this track here. I'm gonna pre-installing this track to see if it's gonna work out when I pop in that window, because I think I may need some movement, but it was a little harder when without the track being there. All right, let's see if we can get that window in. Now we're semi-cool. All right, let's see. All right, slide that bad boy in there. We're gonna start off at the front here and then ease our way in. We have the track in right now, so if I need to loosen it, I may need to. Be careful with these bad boys. That's right. Don't worry, I got you. I got you. I'm right in here. You can let go of the front. Just make sure you guide the back. I got it. Okay. Now, hold on. Let me see if I can pop this guy in the track. I don't want it. Yeah, you gotta tip it like that. Tip it like that and bring it down towards the front. Yeah, watch right there. Is it coming in? Oh well. Get it caught right here on the door. And see. You commenting, bro? You get a special guest spot and you're commenting against me? What the heck?
That's professional.
That's professional. All right. And
I get the one comment.
we got it, man. We got it. Let me see. Oh. There we go. It's nice and settled in, right? All right. And now, let me see if I can tighten everything down. Right there. Right there. So I pretty much just kept it where everything was. As far as like the window track and all this stuff right here. Voila. Now, I'm not being cheap. All right. Let's see. See if we can. How's it go down? How's it feel?
Nice and tight.
Nice and tight? A little too tight, maybe?
Not as tight as the other window.
Well, that was going up. Hold on. Let me see something real quick. Let me adjust the front of it. It may be the front right here where it has to be done, because it may.
Yeah, right here. You got the gap.
Because this guy's going to adjust it real quick.
You got a gap right here.
Just go up with it.
You gotta like turn it.
Throw our little motor in. I hope you work. I don't have to take you off again.
It's like 20-something years old, hopefully. 20,
Are we still hoping? We've talked about this, Filet. Hope. Big fingers, little spaces. Oh yeah. There we go. That's one. We gotta look for that one more bolt right there, but not a problem. Overall, our windows are in. Check it out. Super cool. Nice, clean. We're gonna put a nice clean grease in here. We're gonna grease this up real nice so it's smooth. It's just a smooth transition up and down. Once we get the power up and running, we should be able to see what it's actually gonna do. So I'm glad for that. We're done with that one. You hear that? You hear the difference in that? Like, you don't hear it, like...
The glass didn't even vibrate.
But, I mean, the noise in there, like, the sound... Hold on, I gotta see how it sounds in here, like, when you close it. Because now we have the sound dampener, you know what I mean? Before, we had nothing, so it was, like, really hollow can soundy. But... I can't hear... So you can hear the motor outside. I can't hear it.
Good.
I can hear your voice, but it's really, really big difference. Big difference. Like, big difference. If you sit in there, it sounds like exactly all the sound is being held inside here. Yeah, hell yeah. Big difference. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's gonna sound so much better. Now I'm really glad we put in the sound deadening into the doors here because it doesn't vibrate like you know like before.
Yeah,
you know,
it's a solid.
those are wires. Don't worry about that. But yeah, no, it sounds way better internally. Yeah, and then I mean, once we get the carpeting in, man, you're probably not gonna hear much of anything of this. It's gonna sound cool. I like it. I'm loving it.
Mike's loving it.
Oh, wait a minute. Still really tight. We still need the bolts down here for where it hits, but look at that. I still think it's a pretty big gap in right here. We're gonna go have John's boys take a look at that, but man, no bouncing on the mirror, on the windows. Yeah, looks great. Nice and solid. Nice and solid. So, as what we're looking for is wanting to see if this thing rattles or anything. So, nope. So once we get this bad boy buttoned up, John, we're coming to you, man. You got to fix all these doors, bro. They're still too tight for me. Not to my liking, sir. Not to my liking, but at least the window is holding up just right, man. Guys, thanks for watching. I want to thank everybody on Instagram, on our YouTube, and of course, Facebook. Guys, drop us a like. Give us a couple comments. Let me and my good friend here, Double A, know what we did wrong. Was he not holding it right? Was I tightening too tight? We don't know. Let us know. Guys, stay tuned. Remember, subscribe. Next 2 videos coming right up. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks a lot, guys.